Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree. Happy spring. I hope you guys are enjoying your 2023 so far. So June of this year will mark a year since I've graduated, and since then I've been looking at my wardrobe and I realized that I really do not have that many summer clothes. I mean, like, I do, but most of the stuff that I have just isn't really my style anymore. And as of recently, or like since I've graduated, I feel like my style, I finally have been able to like evolve into it and really dress the way that I want to dress, because I can put more like focus on it just because I have more time to. And so this summer, spring, I really want to create a wardrobe, like a little capsule wardrobe, and just make some pieces, also thrift some pieces that finally speak to my style, so that I can really start to dress the way that I know my style is and like how I truly want to dress, and that really speaks to my personality. So today I'm starting the journey of me creating my capsule wardrobe. I'm super excited about this. I feel like doing this kind of video, or like documenting this, will really help me, because I'll be able to strengthen my skills as a designer when it comes to my sewing and drawing and everything. And I just really want to document this process and just get back into the art of me designing, because I haven't really been able to do it as much recently. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing the mood board. So I'm gonna go on Pinterest and I'm going to make a mood board and really just like look for photos that like really speak to me and like I gravitate to when it comes to like the style, or like how I know I want to dress and how I want to start dressing. And then from there I'm gonna sketch and make, I think I'm gonna do like maybe like a 8-look wardrobe, or like 8-look collection, capsule collection, of like what I want to make this summer, spring. So I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are too, and if you guys want to follow me along on this journey, definitely comment below if you decide to do this for yourself. I think anyone who's trying to like find their own personal style and stuff like that, just like mood boarding can be really helpful. So if you end up mood boarding yourself, definitely comment below, because I'd love to see what you guys see as your future style, or like the style that you want to dress as. So yeah, I'm gonna do the mood board and I'm gonna come back, go over it, and then we're gonna do some sketching. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and yesterday I basically focused on mood boarding because honestly it took a minute, because I wanted to make sure I like really thought about the images I was pulling from. And then after I made my Pinterest, I basically pulled from certain ones that I put in my like Pinterest board, and then I made a mood board on Procreate. And this is how my mood board came out on Procreate. I love it. Honestly, it's a vibe. I think I was pretty cohesive with like my silhouettes that I'm choosing to make. I noticed that I like tailored clothing for like my tops, but if it's not tailored, then I like oversized. And then for like my pants, sort of the same thing. I like baggy pants, but if it's like, I like baggy pants, but then I also like wide leg, straight leg, and flared. What else? Skirt wise, it's sort of the same. There's like, I don't know, I have to like figure out like a word for like the kind of style that I like and that I'm trying to go for, but like I can like feel myself coming together with this stuff. So I'm really excited. I pulled a lot of like cutouts loose flowy tops, some fitted tops, like fitted tailored tops, oversized pants, long skirts, long dresses, that kind of vibe. Yeah, I'm excited. So now I'm basically gonna get to sketching, and then we'll go from there. Hey guys, okay, so it's the next day. I'm sorry this sort of got like broken up into like 3 different days, but I was doing so much. But we're finally here. So I finally finished the drawings for what I want to make, and this is how they turned out. I'm gonna like put it on the screen too, but that's the first one, and then the second one. Yeah. So the colors are not definite, and neither is the patterns. Well, I didn't put any patterns, but the colors aren't definite. I'm still figuring that out, but I definitely know I want to like have color in this wardrobe because I want to start wearing more color. But I know when I go to the fabric store, I'm definitely gonna like see something that I probably didn't draw and be like, yeah, this is gonna fit for this look. So that will update as I go along. But I'm so excited. I sort of, I don't know, I picked things that I know I would wear a lot and that I want to start wearing more, and that I've been wanting to make. So I'm really excited about all of these. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna make first, just because they're all so cute, and I'm just like, oh, I really want to make all of them like now. To be honest, I feel like the pink dress in the first one that I showed you guys probably noticed it if you followed my Instagram. I've dropped this like goddess dress a few times, and I've been meaning to bring it back. So I low-key might make that one first because I have the pattern for it and I know how to make it. And I've been wanting to make a long version of it. And I also might be dropping it soon. So I might do that one first. Excuse me. I might do that one first, and then from there I guess see where it goes. But I'm really excited about this, and like being able to document like my progress or like my process through like making some pieces in my wardrobe so I can finally start dressing how I want to dress. I also just want to emphasize that this is not a collection. This is like me making clothes that I want to add to my wardrobe. So like if I was initially like making like an actual collection that would be like selling and stuff like that, or at least like putting out in forms of like other people being able to make it with different patterns and stuff, I would not have just went on Pinterest. like I would have like researched and like sourced my inspiration from other things. So I do want to clarify that, because if you are trying to become a fashion designer or a costume designer or anything, you definitely want to do outside research outside of just like pulling from Pinterest. But since I'm basically just doing this because I'm making like, I want to build my wardrobe and make clothes that I like to wear and that I want to wear, that's why I went to Pinterest, because I sort of just wanted to like pull from there because it's easy and like I know what my style is. So yeah, but in the future I will be doing like a segment where I design a collection and I'll like make it and document it. So that'll be coming like later in the future, but for now I'm super excited. So next we're gonna get into picking fabrics and fabric shopping and all that, and then jumping right into it. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm also gonna like post on my TikTok a lot more, sort of Instagram, not really. I'm sort of just gonna focus on posting like on YouTube Shorts and TikToks to like document and stuff like that. And I'm also gonna start posting more like drawing videos, because I'm trying to strengthen my drawing, because I do want to become a better drawer as a designer. And as you see, these are sort of flat and I want to be able to like make more drawings that like feel like life, like full of life, because these do not to me feel like they could be more full of life and like this more 3D. But yeah, I'm also going to document that progress, so if you want to stay tuned for that, definitely stick around, check me on TikTok, Instagram. And yeah, that's it for this video. Super excited. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, or a great weekend, because I'm posting this on Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!